Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro support LDAC? So these earbuds support standard Bluetooth audio codec, what calls SBC, and this one is the most common codec, and if your device have a Bluetooth you will have a SBC Bluetooth audio codec. Also, these earbuds support AC codec, and this one is the best codec for Apple devices, because Apple devices doesn't support high-resolution audio codecs like LDAC or PTX or LC3 or LHDC. So on the iPhone, AC is your maximum. And yes, these earbuds support LDAC, what mean high-resolution audio codec, but make sure that your phone support also LDAC codec. Without it, you cannot use LDAC. Now, to prove it for you, we can enter into developer options and check what codec we use and what options we have, and we can switch between them. So you need to go to the settings. If you don't know how to enable developer options on your phone, but you want to do this, you can check video at the HardReset.Info channel. We have it just for your device. After you enter to the settings, scroll down, you need to find System, tap at the System line. In the system we have developer options. Enter here. You have two options right now. Or scroll down and you need to find Bluetooth audio codecs, or you can use the search. So you can click at the search, write codec here, and right here we have Bluetooth audio codec, what located in the developer options. If you do not enable developer options on your phone, you can't check it and you cannot enter here. Also, if you can see these codecs in the Bluetooth audio codecs, or you can enter here, just enable HD audio. As you can see, I disable it and I cannot now use it. So right here, as you saw, we have only two codecs. Why? It means that you should enable it in the application, or your phone just doesn't support LDAC. But I know that this phone supports LDAC. So let's open QCY application. Your headphones should be connected with the app. Then go to the settings. Right here we have LDAC switch. Click on it. And now let's return to the developer options. Also, this earbuds should reconnect with the phone. So I guess now we have it. And right here, as you can see, we have these three codecs, what I just tell you. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.